What's up, y'all? This is your girl Keisha, CEO, founder, and all that creator, secretary, all that at Ascendant Soaps. www.ascendantsoaps.com. Today I am coming at you guys with a charcoal turmeric Rasul clay soap. I do not claim that my soap do anything for the skin except cleanse it, but it does contain oils that, are beneficial to the skin. And if you would like to know what those benefits are, you can always look it up. It's got some tea tree oil in there, and it's got some rosehip oil in there, so it's got some good stuff for the skin, along with the charcoal and the turmeric and the Rasul clay. So if you want to see how I made this soap, stay tuned. I know that this intro looking different than the actual video, but I couldn't get my digital camera to act right. The lighting was bad. I was looking washed out. It was just a hot mess. So I'm on here with you guys, and y'all can see my little background stuff. I do need to straighten up a little bit, but on with the show. Okay, y'all. So we're gonna start off with. Ooh, I haven't made soap in 3 months. Do I remember how? If I get a little bit confused, y'all, please forgive me, because I have not made soap in 3 whole months. And I am a little bit rusty. Okay, so in this bowl right here, we have our shea butter, coconut oil, we have our cocoa butter, and we have our palm oil in here. Now, I know there's a lot of people who feel some type of way about palm oil, but this palm oil is sustainably sourced, because I do realize that sourcing this type of oil, it's endangering to the rainforest. So I do have to find an alternative for palm oil if I'm going to use it in my soaps anymore at all. That's a decision that I still haven't made yet. So don't get on me. Don't get in my comments talking about some, palm oil is endangering our rainforest. Listen, I know what's going on. When I first started soaping, I didn't know, and now I know. So when this palm oil is up, I'll figure out a palm free recipe. So anyway, so in this bowl I have my olive oil, I have my castor oil, and I have my rice bran oil, and here go my lye solution, and I'm going to put some sodium lactate in here. Now, so all I could find was my 1/4 teaspoon, and yes, this spoon is clean. It's just been ate up by the fragrance oil, and I'm about to switch to stainless steel. Now today I am making charcoal, turmeric, and Rasul clay soap. It will contain tea tree oil and rosehip oil, and I do not claim my soaps do anything except for cleanse the skin. So if you would like to find out what these ingredients do for your skin and if they have any benefits for your skin, you can always Google and find that out for yourself. Okay? Because I ain't saying nothing, do nothing. Alright, you didn't hear it from the hood soap, alright? Okay. So today's fragrance that I'm using today is bamboo and white grape. No, excuse me. Bamboo and white grapefruit. And I really, really, really love this scent. It's a citrusy scent, but it's also a clean scent. So I love it. So to this I'm going to add the solid oils that's been melted. All that out of there. And I normally would have my big huge red gloves, but I did not clean them, so I had to settle for the little glove, so I'm going to make sure I'm very, very careful, because I can be very, very clumsy. Alright. And I'm going to add a tablespoon of kaolin clay. I just love kaolin clay. It gives the soap a nice slip. I think I'll just add 2 tablespoons of kaolin clay. Also think I might add some sugar for the simple fact that I didn't add it to my lye water. And I'm going to stir up this clay in here. Okay, now the temperature of my oils is 98 degrees. And the temperature of my oils is 97. So that's perfect. That is perfect. I like my oils to be nice and cool. And I also like my lye to be nice and cool for the simple fact I don't want anything accelerating on me too fast. Alright, we'll put that away. Okay. And I'm pour some of this off, and then after I pour it off, I'm going to color it. So to this cup and this cup, I'm going to add turmeric to 1 cup, and I'm going to add charcoal to the other cup. And this is organic ground turmeric. And I only use this turmeric for soaping, so I do not use this turmeric to eat with. I'll do 3. So I'm going to put my rasool clay next. And put about 1, 2 tablespoons in here. And everything that I've used, I will leave in the description box below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this off in here. And pour this off in here. And then the rest is going to be charcoal. And I'm going to put the charcoal in here. So I'm going to use about 3 tablespoons in here. You got to be careful because this charcoal is really light. I'll put about 4 there. That's my formulation. Mind your business. Okay. And I'm just mix that around. right. And I think I want to do a in the pot swirl this time. And the little bit that I have left, I am going to, like I said, I'm going to put that inside of some square molds. So I have these skewers, and let's see, they ain't set up too much, so I can go like this inside. They ain't set up too much. Yeah, they still okay. Give me another pair of gloves. And we're done. I'm gonna clean up this mess, and I'll see you guys back tomorrow for when I cut them. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day, and we are cutting these loaves of soap, and yeah, they smell so good. You can really smell the tea tree. And look, here is what my little cube samples look like. Aren't these cute? So yeah, so alright, we're going to cut. And yeah, I still got this soap cutter. Look, guys. But don't y'all worry, I'm going to get a new soap cutter very soon. So I'm just going to show you what the tops look like. Just look like this. This is just one of the loaves. It looks like that. And I decided to do a swirl design, nothing fancy. So yeah, we're just gonna take this out of the mold. And I'm just going to clean up the edges of this soap, and I will show you what they look like after then. So thanks again, you guys, for tuning in. If you want to see more videos, just click on your notifications bell and you'll never miss an upload. I got some new recipes coming out, and please don't forget to sign up for my Patreon if you would like to see full recipes with measurements included. So this is Keisha signing out from Ascendant Soaps at the Hood Soaper on Instagram. See you guys next time.